So here we want to sketch the graph of y equals the absolute value of 2x minus 5, or the modulus of 2x minus 5, whichever way you want to call it. And what it means is that when you've got these two bars each side of a particular function, we've got the 2x minus 5 inside here is always positive, it's never negative. So how do we sketch that? Well, we need some points on this diagram here that we can use to join up. Now this will make a straight line, but it'll be two straight lines which will meet at a particular point. So what we want to do first of all is try some numbers. So let's try x equals 0. So if x equals 0, what we've got in here, y equals 2 times 0 minus 5, which is the absolute value of minus 5, which is just positive 5. So that's always positive. So here, when x is 0, y is 5. So x is 0, I can just sketch y is 5 there. So I put my coordinate, that's where y is 5. Okay, now what else can I do? Got my y-intercept, let's try the x-intercept. So what's the value at x-intercept that's important? Well, y is 0. So we set this whole thing to 0. So 0 equals the absolute value or modulus of 2x minus 5. Now here, because it's 0, we can now solve it by removing those modulus brackets. So 2x minus 5. So here we get 2x equals 5, x equals 5 over 2. So now when y is 0, x is 5 over 2. So I reckon it'll be somewhere like that. So when sketching a graph, all you need is the key components. Now notice here we've got this modulus, so it's never going to be negative. So this is going to be its minimum value. So that will be its turning point. So we'll have a straight line joining these. So let's draw that one up there first. So imagine that's a straight line. And then what happens is with the modulus function, it's reflected in this point here, which is peak at the bottom. So it would be reflected across, so it could go somewhere like that. That's a bit straighter, isn't it? So there we go. So we've got 5 over 2. And if we went to this point here, what would be the value of that if it's parallel to that? So our other value would be 5. Well, let's try putting it in here. So we've got 5 equals 2x minus 5, well, modulus. So let's solve that. So we need a positive value here. So 2x minus 5 equals 5. So let's keep that positive. So in which case we just remove the brackets. Then add 5 to each side. In which case now x equals 5. So this coordinate here will be at x equals 5, y is 5. So these ones, put the coordinates on properly. Got 5, 5. Here we've got 5 over 2, comma 0. And here we've got 0, comma 5.